Hotpot cravings pero kanya-kanya tayo ng bowl since magkakaiba tayo ng gusto at pwedeng kainin. Ako usually gusto ko beef pero meron ng mga hindi pwede sa red meat. Yung iba naman allergic sa shrimp at meron ng mga ayaw sa chicken. Kung ganito ang dilemma nyo or if you simply just want a good bowl of hotpot, itry nyo itong Yo Shabu Shabu located sa may Nepoquad sa Angeles City. Ito yung hours of operation nila tapos maraming parking lot in the area. This is their full menu at i-zoom in natin dito. Pwede kayong mag-order ng kanya-kanyang hotpot at ikaw na yung bahala kung gusto mo ng shrimp, beef, pork, or chicken. And then may option ka between spicy or original na soup base. At eto, kada set nila merong noodles, vegetables, hot pot sauce, and your meat of choice. Tapos nagpa-additional order kami ng mga mushrooms and kimchi. And by the way, nire-refill din nila yung soup and vegetables. Yung original soup base yung pinili namin, it's really light and comforting. At dahil kanya-kanyang pot na nga kami, you can season it however you want. Although hindi naman required na one person per pot, okay? So kung kakain kayo at dalawa lang kayo, pwede kayo mag-order ng isang pot to share tapos mag-add-on pa ng iba nilang mga dishes. Yung in-order namin ay family set, good for 4 to 5 packs, automatic siyang may kasamang tempura at yung spam fried rice. Which is really good by the way, tapos may kasama pang 4 na iced tea. Nag-order din ako nitong beef baked sushi. Very generous sa beef, meron din siyang Japanese mayo and a slightly tangy and salty sauce. Ito naman yung Dynamite Sushi that has a really good mix of textures. And lastly, meron din tayo ng gyoza. Meron nga rin pala silang branch sa loob ng Clarkfield, Pampanga. At sa lahat ng mahilig sa hotpot na naghahanap ng bagong masusubukan, itry nyo na rin itong Yo Shabu Shabu and enjoy!